I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need only a charged, unlocked Oppo phone and access to settings. Once ready, open settings and go straight to About Phone or Version. Tap the build number repeatedly, usually 7 taps, until the device confirms developer mode. You're doing this so you can access advanced tools like USB debugging, logging, and animation scaling. These let you test apps and diagnose issues. Once you see the confirmation, make sure to back out to Settings, so the new Developer Options entry appears in the main menu. Now enter Settings, right arrow Additional Settings and tap Developer Options. The toggle at the top turns the whole menu on. Enable USB debugging if you plan to connect to a PC, and accept the prompt explaining debugging risks. Adjust animation scales to 0. 5x for faster UI testing, and enable Stay Awake if you need the screen on while charging. Make changes deliberately. Many toggles affect system behavior, so change one setting at a time and observe results before proceeding. Final steps. Plug your Oppo into your development PC and accept the RSA key prompt to authorize this host. Once authorized, you can use a DB, Logcat, and other tools. If you need to reset access, revoke USB debugging authorizations from Developer Options and reconnect. If Developer Options didn't appear, restart the phone and revisit About Phone. On some Color OS builds, tap Version or build number instead. If that still fails, check for system updates and try again. Restarting often resolves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.